job. I just want you to make sure you know your money, because you don't want anybody to steal from you, right? Good job. All right, how much do you have in total? You had how much? 16. And what did you spend? You decided not to buy anything? You're not wasting your money on water, but we need water. It's just one water bottle. So what did you decide to do?
To save money.
Just to save and go and be dehydrated? You need what? You need water. So in essence, you're a little cheapy. You didn't want to spend 50 cents. Look up here. You didn't want to spend 50 cents on water that you need. Okay? So if you have money, and everybody listening to me, if you have some money and there is something that you need to purchase it. If you need it, and water is a need, it needs to be purchased. Okay? All right. You all did great. Give yourselves a hand.